Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the offset of an image on Photopea. So first of all, we want to open Photopea. After opening it, we just need to drag the image for which you want to edit. And for adjusting the offset, here on the top you can see here menu options, and here is an option you can see here image, click on that. And from here, a second option you can see here adjustments, click on that. And then here is the fourth option you can see here exposure, click on that. And here is second section you can see here offset. From here you can just adjust it, and after adjusting it, click on OK. And after that, you can see that you had been adjust the offset of an image on Photopea. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.